Hello, Kevin here with IPC Eagle. I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the IPC Eagle Pure Water family, the Hydrocart Compact. It is a true 4-stage filtration system on a more compact format. If you notice back here, we start with a combination carbon sediment filter. You'll notice the N, that's the inlet where your water goes in. From there, the water is going to be passed through up to the reverse osmosis membrane. From the RO membrane, it's going to go to the DI cartridge. It's a refillable cartridge. From there, it's going to go up into your water-fed pulp. The first step in assembling your Hydrocart Compact is to put your wheels together. You're going to notice on your wheels you have a flat side and more a bubble side. Bubble side is going to go out. So first step we're going to take the cap, the axle, put the cap on the end, use a rubber mallet to pound it on. From there, once that's on, you're going to take your wheel, slide it on, slide on the spacer. From there, you're going to come over to the system, and of course it'll be on its side at that point. You're going to slide this through the center axle, apply your other spacer, wheel, and cap, and you're good to go. Your next step in your Hydrocart Compact assembly is to assemble your handle and your vessels. And what that consists of is you'll take the 2 bolts and nuts that you have, slide them through the frame itself, into the handle, put on your 1/2-inch nut, and you're good to go. Following the handle installation, you're going to want to install your combination carbon sediment filter and your refillable DI cartridge. First is going to be your carbon sediment filter, and that's simply taking the vessel off. I like to put it upside down. You'll notice there's a nipple in the bottom there. Make sure you assemble it upside down. Take the supplied wrench, just give it just a little nudge, and you're good to go. Next is going to be refillable DI cartridge. And you notice there is a nipple on the bottom, nipple here. See the arrow up, pointing up. Make sure you get it in properly. You'll notice it. And the same thing. Following installation of your filters, you're going to want to install your supply hoses. You're going to notice there's a short and a long. On this side, you're going to see the short will go on the DI side. So what you're going to want to do, see these move, and make sure you get it in properly. You'll feel it click in. The same thing on the bottom. Bring that down, click that in. The longer plastic hose will go on your carbon sediment filter. As you notice, they do swivel. Wait till you hear the click. And you're done. You're also going to notice the green discharge hose. You're going to install that on the bottom of your RO vessel. You'll notice the brass fitting. When transporting, you're going to want to put this on your entry, your carbon sediment filter, so that way there's no spillage. And when you are using this outside or in operation, you're going to take that off and you're going to lay it flat on the ground. You'll notice when you receive your Hydrocart Compact, in a bag, you're going to receive a plastic wrench for your filter housings, a magic lube for when and if you have to change out your RO membrane, RO Protect for use when you are not using your system for 4 weeks or more, and then also a TDS meter, which is very important.